Hi everybody, it's Jen from Jen Plans, and I have the 2018 Winter Seasonal Surprise Box from Erin Condren. So spoiler alert, if you do not want to see what's inside, do not watch the rest of this video because I'm going to show you everything that's inside. The first thing that I noticed about this box, which by the way I have not opened and gone through yet, I just sliced the tape open. But the first thing that I noticed compared to every other seasonal surprise box that I've received is that it is gigantic. It's huge. It looks like it's 6 inches tall, maybe 7. It's just, oops, sorry, it's really big. So I have an idea of what might be inside, and I hope I'm right because there have been a few peeks that EC has had on Instagram and on Facebook, and so I've been kind of hoping that maybe 1 or 2 of the things in those pictures might be inside. So let's see. The other thing is about this box, this one, I know they always say the boxes are reversible and reusable. This would be a great box to use for gifting. It's nice and big. Okay, so you have the Life Made EC newsletter, which has been shipping out. I don't know if they're gonna do this annually or how frequently they'll do this, but it's really cool. It talks about the new products and stuff. This, I won't flip it over, but it looks like the theme is "'Tis the EC Season." Okay, this is the thing that I was hoping was inside, and it is. I'm a sucker for coffee mugs, and in the winter, hot chocolate mugs. I saw this in a picture and it was so cute. Oh, look at the little asterisk. She designed a life she loved. I'm so excited. It's shaped, it's like a little, the shape is a little tapered. It looks just slightly different from a normal coffee mug. But I love it. I'm so excited. So you can use it to drink out of or put like pens and desk supplies in, but this is what I was hoping was in there. I'm so excited. So there's a mug. Let's see what else. This I think is it's a candle. So a couple of years ago, they sold candles on the website. Let's see what the scent is. A balanced blend of grapefruit, raspberries, and ginger. They sold candles on the website. They were in glass little containers. So this one is metal. This would also be really great for gifting. I get migraines from certain candle scents. So if this one doesn't work for me, then this will be a great gift for somebody. I don't always keep every single thing in every box. Sometimes I give stuff away. So that's on that side. What else? Ooh, jumbo paper clips. These are fun. Do people use these? Do people use these for decoration or like actually to clip pages? I would probably just, I'm so practical, I would use these. Yeah, you could use these. These are just like real giant paper clips to like clip maybe like the page that you're working on in your planner, but it comes with 4 of them, which is great. So that's this one. What are these? Oh, metallic markers. That's cool. For like maybe lettering or decoration or signing cards for gifts. Do these click? Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna try writing. Let's see how these work. This one is gold. These are cool. That one's gold. And this one is a silver. This will be really fun for addressing gifts. I mean, you could use it for anything, but how fun. Okay, so 2 retractable metallic markers. That's fun. Jot your thought journal, lined pages. I like this cover. So these are the same size as the petite planners, and they fit in the folios. So if you have the folios, this will fit right in the folio. Just a blank lined journal. I love these. I take these to church to keep notes. I keep them in my purse. I have one in my car, just in case I ever need to take notes, but I love the cover. 1 year, 365 opportunities. It's really cute. So there's a nice journal. What else? Oh, stickers. Ooh, labels. I love these. Oh, I'm really excited about these. These are really cute. To and from, so 6 labels that you can write on, and then another 6 if you make things. That's so fun. I love these, and they're metallic. Can you see it kind of shimmer a little bit? That's really fun. And then 2 sticker sheets. Are these 2 sticker sheets in here? Looks like, let's see. Both clear, I think. Both clear. So New Year, and then some stars. With kind of a mix, it looks like a mix of metallic and colored. This is so fun. So this is the surprise box. Gift labels, 2 sticker sheets, a journal, and metallic markers. This is a mix of like planner stuff and then home stuff. And there's been great debate over the last year or two that they've been doing these boxes of whether or not people want just planner stuff or planner and like home lifestyle stuff. And I always see really mixed preferences. So if you're someone who likes a combination, you will love this box. So the 2 metallic markers, the paper clips, 4 paper clips, a candle, and then of course the mug, and the box. And then it looks like this has the code for 20% off your next order, which for a lot of people might be the best part of the box, to get 20% off another order. So this is so fun. So thanks for watching. What do you guys think? It looks like, okay, so let's see what is a sneak peek and what's a box exclusive. Metallic markers, a sneak peek. Okay, so those will be sold. Candle, exclusive and in-store. There are 2 stores open right now. 2 sticker sheets are exclusive. Usually the sticker sheets and the seasonal surprise boxes are exclusive. Metallic gold paper clips are a sneak peek. Ooh, $4 value for 4 of them. That means they're gonna be pretty cheap. That's only like $1 each. That's a good price. Ceramic Life She Loved mug is exclusive and in-store, so you will not be able to buy this on the website. The only way you will get this is if you go to the store or if you got a seasonal surprise box. Petite Journal is an exclusive. Of course, if you want a petite journal, you can buy those on the site. It just won't be this cover. And the holiday gift label set, which I stock up on these as often as I can. I love the little ones that come in every shipment. I have a whole envelope of them, and I use them all the time, so I can't wait to use these. So I'd love to see what you guys think. Go ahead and leave your thoughts in the comments, and I'll link the Erin Condren site so that if you are interested in any of the stuff that's not exclusive, you can check it out there. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.